Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Mbekezeli Mbokazi is one of the most sought after defenders from the World Cup, with interest from Germany, Belgium, and Italy, with Napoli said to be interested, but there are no concrete offers yet. But what we know is that Chicago Fire are willing to sell. And Mbekezeli Mbokazi's agent, Bashir Michaels, said, Chicago Fire have come forward and we've had conversations. They are willing to sell Mbokazi and they are not going to hold him back. They are very open to any conversation that needs to be had. They have to realize their fair value of their investment. And she continued to say, I can comfortably tell you that Chicago Fire are currently engaging us pertaining a transaction that can be done because they are willing to sell the player. Playing in Naples will definitely be something, if it is on the cards, and if the clubs can come to some sort of agreement. That's what she said, and then later on she came to clarify some things. Here's what Bashir Michael says. If Napoli is interested, we definitely want to hear from them. I wouldn't say Fire want to sell the player, but they won't hold him back when the right offer comes along. The translator definitely misunderstood me, because the rumors in Italy have many people excited to have Mbokazi play in Serie A, which is something that we welcome, and we would jump at the right opportunity, as long as it ticks all the necessary boxes to ensure he can continue to grow in the prestigious European market, ensuring longevity over his career. That's what Bashir Michael says. So it seems like she didn't say that Napoli are interested. She was giving an example that if Napoli are interested, then they would take the offer if it ticks all the boxes. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these rumors of Mbekezeli Mbokazi being wanted by so many European clubs? Do you think now is the right time to leave a Chicago Fire for a better move? Let me hear your thoughts. During Bafana Bafana's time at the World Cup, Mbekezeli Mbokazi has been the star of the team for all the 4 games, including in games where people thought Bafana Bafana didn't play well. He's been the one shining light. Everyone is impressed with him. People were asking themselves, who's this guy with great tackling technique, positioning, pace, and a wonderful left foot that splits defenders? He's one of the most complete center-back people saw at the World Cup. Definitely those performances didn't go unnoticed. Just 2 years ago, Mbokazi was playing in the DStv Diski Challenge, the reserve league of South African Top Flight, for the under-23 of Orlando Pirates. And he came at Orlando Pirates, and within a season and a half, he was already one of the best players in the league. And to be honest, he wouldn't look out of place in any league and in any team in the world, honestly. And here is what South African coach Pitso Mosimane said regarding Mbokazi's move to the MLS. Remember, Mbokazi moved to Chicago Fire in December, leaving Orlando Pirates in the middle of the 2025-26 campaign. And people were concerned that why is he leaving before the season ends with the World Cup coming? They thought that maybe he took a wrong move. And Pitso Mosimane says, Mbokazi went to Chicago Fire. And I know that maybe many people were saying it's not a right move. But we have players who played in the Major League Soccer and are now playing in the English Premier League. So it's a good step. Even the likes of Sean Bartlett played there. They ended up playing for Charlton Athletic. Major League Soccer is a good platform. Yes, it's hereby you are on a transition right to go to Europe. But you are playing with a top talent. I mean, how many players you saw in the World Cup that are playing in the MLS? So it's not a league for nobodies. It's a good move for him. And to go there will consolidate and start playing, because sometimes you go to Europe and you are on the bench. So do you think that Pitso Mosimane is right that Mbokazi's move to the MLS helped him to gain recognition, especially when it comes to the World Cup, where they saw that he is playing in Chicago Fire? Teams who are in Europe, when they buy him, they are buying a player they know they can start, not place on the bench. Let me hear your thoughts regarding what Pitso Mosimane says. Do you agree with him or not? And do you think that Mbogazi will leave Chicago Fire before the end of the season and join a top club in Europe? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.